In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum on Binance. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking for a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you every step of the way. Let's get started and make the process as smooth as possible. First and foremost, head over to Binance.com, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally. You'll need to log in with your account details. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one and verify it to gain full access to all the features Binance offers. Once you're logged in, you should be greeted by the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll navigate through various trading options. Next, look for the Trade option in the top menu. By hovering or clicking on it, you'll see several options. Here, we'll aim for simplicity, so choose Convert. It's perfect for straightforward transactions without dealing with complex charts and graphs, especially if you're just starting out. However, for those who want a bit more control and are comfortable with advanced metrics, classic or advanced trading options are also available, although they won't be our focus today. Once you're in the Convert section, you'll see two drop-down menus. The first one is labeled From. Here, you'll select the currency you want to use for buying Ethereum. It could be US dollars, Tether, Euros, or any other supported currency. In the second dropdown labeled To, you'll choose Ethereum, represented by its ticker symbol, ETH. This setup essentially tells Binance what you're converting from and what you'd like to receive. After you've selected the appropriate currencies, enter the amount you wish to spend in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your input to ensure it's correct. This is an important step because any mistakes could lead to unwanted transactions. Now, it's time to see a preview of your transaction. Simply click on Preview Conversion. This feature will provide you with a quick snapshot of the exchange rate and the total amount of Ethereum you'll receive for your specified amount. Take this opportunity to review all the details. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the conversion rate, proceed with the next step. Finally, click Convert to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you've now successfully bought Ethereum on Binance. Your ETH should appear in your Binance wallet shortly after the transaction is processed. And there you have it. Buying Ethereum on Binance is efficient and user-friendly, and you're now equipped with the knowledge to make your first or next crypto purchase on this platform. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.